हाय दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में लाइक व्हेन यू गाइस आर ओव्यूलेटिंग, डोंट यू जस्ट लाइक वांट टू फक द ब्रेन्स आउट ऑफ अ डूड?
What is interesting to me is like I do not care about
Don't do that.
सबसे देहाती लोग तभी बोर्डर
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. लोग
कोई डर नहीं घर वालों का.
it's a privilege for you क्योंकि तुम्हें डांट पड़ती है.
मैं बहुत डांट
He was boycotted. Yeah.
मैं नहीं था क्योंकि कभी भी वो मर्द जो बहुत गंदी
मेरी तो चड्डी गीली हो गई.
मतलब घुस के बातें करती थी, इसकी चूत के उसके ये वो
मैं बेसिकली पुश कर रहा था डोर. नहीं मम्मी नहीं, अभी अंदर मत आओ आप. खोल कौन है अंदर?
Men's bodies are not necessarily beautiful.
मतलब एक मर्द की बॉडी में होगी तो एक बार मुट्ठी भी नहीं मारेगी.
That day I woke up and I've got boobs and what JJ.
Bitch.
और ऋषभ भैया के बैग में थोड़े टाइम बाद मिले अंकल को कॉन्डम्स. हर दूसरा मादर चोद हॉर्नी बैठा है.
पहले तो half an hour or so I'll be playing with my boobs only.
ओ बहन जो पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग्स यार.
मेरी कभी नहीं हुई.
मेरे पेरेंट्स कभी नहीं आए.
क्या?
I was a boarder.
ओ यार प्रिविलेजेस बोर्डर्स के.
No.
सबसे देहाती लोग तभी बोर्डर्स.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. लोग
कोई डर नहीं घर वालों का.
It's a privilege for you क्योंकि तुम्हें डांट पड़ती थी.
मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती
He was boycotted. Yeah.
हाँ, मुझे तो ओ भाई
That was
उस टाइम
bad.
मेरी
It
पेरेंट
was
टीचर
actually
मीटिंग
bad.
थी.
Don't laugh.
नहीं कोई नहीं, अब तो चलेगा. बट मेरी पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग थी और मैं रो रहा था, भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहा था, प्लीज मेरी मम्मी को मत बताना मैंने लोगों को गालियां सिखाई हैं.
भगवान से प्रार्थना.
टीचर ने बताया ही नहीं.
Oh, that's nice.
Weirdly.
But
क्या
that's
भगवान है?
agnostic.
आई थिंक उसको पता था कि मेरी बहुत गांड लग जाएगी अगर वो मेरी मॉम को बताएगी. एंड आई वाज लाइक अ चिल किड अदरवाइज.
That's why I should boycott it.
या इट्स लाइक अब थोड़ा सा स्लेव पे रहम खाते हैं.
Or do you
और शी
think
लाइक ब्रोक मी.
that's why I think she was like
Like to make you
But was
fear
it?
it but
to
not
not completely
deliver the
push you
blow.
off the
But were
edge.
you scared of
torture.
just that one parent-teacher meeting, or were you always scared during a parent-teacher meeting?
नहीं only that one.
Oh, I was chill because my dad told me that basically nobody had complaints about me, but to make sure my dad would always go to parent-teacher meetings and he would like say wildest things. They'll be like, नहीं हमें तो नहीं लगता पढ़ रहा है, आप इसको मारिए, आप इसको डांटिए, आप इसको बस पढ़ाई में करिए, जो भी आपको आप मेरी तरफ से पूरी छूट है, ये वो. He would do that. And I was like, कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, कोई बुराई नहीं कर रहा, why are you starting
But
this?
ये एक टेक्निक होती है.
Exactly, that's what he told me, that his technique was like he does not like listening to complaints and stuff, so he just does it.
Dump it on them.
They just don't say anything after that. They're
That's
like,
what I
"नहीं,
learned
नहीं."
how to do when you're like appraisal जब होता है. They're like, let me steer the wheel.
Oh, that's brave.
जूरी में भी तो ये करना होता है. You just yap,
No, jury.
give them so much.
But they
Yeah,
are
to say
they-
bad things,
No,
though.
but jury
What's
they're
a
just
jury?
there. They're there
I'm
to
sure
like
काफी लोगों
fuck
को नहीं
you.
पता होगा what a jury is.
Oh yeah, sorry.
So?
And we never had like written examinations. We had a jury. So you would have to go alone into a room with a panel of 4 people, 5 people.
Yeah, 4-5 people.
And their agenda was to rip you
Roadies.
apart.
Roadies होता था basically.
Sounds interesting यार काफी.
डिजाइन बनेगा तो इसके साथ डिजाइन बनेगा, ऐसे फेंक
I
देंगे.
missed a margin by like 2 millimeters. She measured it and then she proceeded to tear the paper and say, "You don't deserve to be at NIF."
Yeah, that's what they want to do.
वो
They
तो
want to
college
look
तो is
for
college
something really small or whatever, and your whole mindset should be you cannot give them a window. But they are looking for something small to blow it up to say that you are a failure and you don't deserve to
Yeah.
live and get the fuck out of here.
That's the same thing with parent teacher meeting में ना, कुछ frustrated souls होते हैं जिनका एजेंडा ये होता है कि कॉल करेंगे आपके पेरेंट्स को, उसको बोलेंगे आपका लड़का बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ रहा, इसको कुछ नहीं आता, इसको मेरे से ट्यूशन लगवाओ या वैसी चीज़ें हैं.
That
I'm sure
happened to
कॉलेजेस
you?
में भी ये होता होगा. No, never. But see मेरे साथ एक काफी
Rishu was a
funny चीज़
topper
होती
kid.
थी.
Yeah.
No, I was a topper kid, but during the whole term मेरे को डर लगता था कि कोई आ ना जाए, और बट आई न्यू कि कोई आएगा भी नहीं, कभी कोई आता नहीं था पेरेंट्स वगैरह.
ऐसे को यार.
वो सिर्फ आते
Wild.
थे रिजल्ट वाले डे पे. और हर बार रिजल्ट वाले डे पे सारे टीचर्स बस ये बोलते थे कि वैसे तो ठीक है बट अब इसकी रैंक आ गई है तो अब इसके नंबर्स आ गए तो हम क्या बोले. So
But
basically-
personality.
I think मेरी
But
parent
they
teacher
never
में
used to say anything because वो नंबर्स होते हैं ना शो करने को. अब आप ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि ओके ये सेकंड आया क्लास में बट ये है बहुत हरामी, ये सब कुछ नहीं पढ़ता, ये कुछ नहीं, ये बेसिकली मतलब मैं सेकंड आता था क्लास में और मैं क्लास का सबसे ज़्यादा बदमाश बच्चा जो होता है ना, जो मेरा वो था ना फिजिक्स का क्लास टीचर, वो इतना पिस्ड था मेरे से कि वो मेरे को देखते ही मतलब मुझे क्लास में भी घुसे देता था, सीधे ऑफिस लेके जाता था. एंड ही डिड दैट एक हफ्ते लगातार बिकॉज मैं लेट आता था ऑफ कोर्स.
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट
okay.
पीरियड के 20
Context.
minutes.
खुंदक है बंदे से भाई.
बट वो औरों के साथ ऐसे नहीं करता था. एंड आई यूज्ड टू टीज हिम आल्सो. मैं उसको मैथ्स के सवाल या फिजिक्स के सवाल देता था. मैं सर प्लीज ये करके
Class
दिखाओ.
clown person. I
फिर वो
was
बोलते
that
थे-
person too.
फिर बोलते थे नहीं ये तुम्हारे सिलेबस में नहीं है. मैंने सर करके दिखाओ, आपसे नहीं होगा तो हम आपको बता देंगे. ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Bitch.
बट या
I mean,
But
you
then-
need to fuck with teachers.
Yeah.
Like,
That is-
otherwise what would you do अपने
Like
स्कूल में?
Kishore. So I was talking in college, and then he goes like, "What's your name?" And I was like, "Anagha." He's like, "Absent." So I was like, "तो मैं जाऊँ अब? Can I leave? Because obviously I'm here only for attendance." And then
Yes,
he's
sir.
like, "How could
Yes.
you?" But yeah, that. I
That's
get
when
that.
you double down कि अब ये
Yeah.
तो हो गया मैं जाऊँ.
oh, Anagha was always a doubling down person.
No, I'm so nice.
I wonder if because my perspective was कि ये मैं criminal हूँ और ये police है, and I would be so scared of teachers and authority in general that I would want them to like forgive me for nothing. मैं कुछ किया ही नहीं है, मैं already like I'm like
Pussy.
yeah basically. I wonder what it would be like if me now would be back in school. Probably not that
would be different. No, it would be.
No
not
major
different, bro.
difference.
But yeah, I would
You would
fuck
be
with
my
them.
best friend और फिर हम दोनों मिलके गांड लेते टीचर्स की.
I don't think he wants
I
to
hope
be
so.
your best friend in school.
I'm sure he would.
Oh no, yeah.
Or
my
Rishu was
social standing
popular,
was
bro.
really bad in school.
Oh yeah, did Chazo ever tell you about his mental social standing and how
Yeah.
he built it up?
Yeah, I worked hard.
an
to
amazing
get,
story.
Go
Partly-
up the ladder, yeah.
Partly mental, but it's
Does
also
work.
partly the real state of things, you know.
But
Yeah, that's sad.
I don't know if it was privilege, but I never thought of it like that.
Exactly. मेरे को भी पहली बार पता चला when Chazo was saying कि ठीक है there were cliques, then there were ladders कि यहाँ पे you were socially there.
And how
उसके बाद you'll reach वहाँ पे, then you
yeah.
become friends with ऐसे. I'm like wait ये भी हो रहा था कहीं पे.
But what did you think? Like, जो लोग ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ hang out नहीं करते थे, then what was happening to them?
Yeah, the thing is with me especially, like I know about me, so I'm talking about me. With me it was like I'll generally live in a bubble. My friends are my friends, and then
Yeah.
fuck the world. And then fuck
Yes,
the
yes,
world.
yes, that's privilege.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
privilege of having friends,
Like
I guess.
so he pointed it out in college.
Yeah, no, but her bubble is so interesting because she thinks it's her group, and then everyone outside the bubble is one group. They're all friends with each other. They know each other. They hang out with each other all the time, and it's just one hard
That's a
group,
new
and then
model.
the rest
Yeah.
of the
That's a
world.
new mental model I've come across.
But
To be fair.
I had a lot of fun, so I don't
She would
complain.
just be like,
Can't
aren't they
complain.
friends? Aren't they like really close friends? I'm like, no, you just don't know them. That's it.
Wow.
But like, also there's less fuckery in life.
Huh, fair.
And
मतलब you're just concerned with your friends.
unless someone else is just like, you know, trying to fuck around, that's different.
Anagha's like वही इसका यही होता था कि हम दोस्त हैं और फिर somebody is fucking with you अगर तो she's the first one to like give it back. to
Yeah.
them.
I'm a very reliable friend.
That's a good quality.
Yeah.
Like that's in no ways
Yeah, I'm a reliable.
anything that you don't
Yeah.
want in a friend.
Like,
Yeah, like nobody would have the balls to talk shit about my friends in front of me. That's for
Right.
sure.
I'm also like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stand up-ish.
Yeah, I think we got along very well in first year. Yeah.
Yeah, like we had वही ना like similar
We're the
energies, not
protectors
giving
of
up,
this herd.
not
ये सारे
giving
के
a
सारे
fuck.
हमारे
The
हैं.
shepherds.
But generally,
Shepherds.
Sense was very, very reliable in first year, and like generally in college, that has
Yeah.
taken a very 180, which is also good for you, honestly.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
यार he comes from streets.
The
Legit
hood.
streets.
the whole.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार.
ऐसा ही
We're
है.
going
Your
to
stories
link.
seem
No,
that
no,
way.
please link that video in the description box.
कौन सी वाली? मेरी mixtape.
Yeah.
drifting.
1 2 1 2.
1 2
Bye.
1 2.
Yeah, those were such golden days though. Fuck.
It's so interesting.
Like my whole day would be so fucking fun, bro. सुबह से शाम. Summer vacations or winter vacations.
Like true Phineas and Ferb, I think.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
all you do is just go out and आज क्या करना है?
Gangster Phineas and Ferb.
What do you think? Phineas and Ferbs were not puny shits.
So they were
And they were not burning
they were
people's
nerds.
shop and stuff.
Yeah.
He didn't burn someone.
Breaking bones
We
and
didn't
shit.
do that. नहीं, वो burning people's shop was like a accident.
Hold on.
And we were
You
too,
burned someone?
we were
Hold on,
too young, bro. Like वो तो मैं बहुत छोटा था उस time.
How old were you?
Like that's not when we were on some Dakat shit. No.
But were you ever on Cat?
Yeah, other times.
I mean, I haven't spoken to you in a while.
We have not really caught up too much about my
Yeah.
pre-college days as much, no?
No,
Just
we
the
have.
just the school part and
Yeah.
little bit.
The what's that movie? You know what I'm talking about? Where I was like, you look like the guy from that movie.
उड़ता पंजाब. How have we got?
That
not
phase
That's
we
just मेरी
covered.
बेइज्जती करने का बहाना. फालतू में taking my
That phase we
Shahid
covered. No, the
नहीं,
guy.
बल्ली.
Balli?
Not Balli.
Balli.
And worse. There was this guy who was
Balli.
like, I killed my mom.
अच्छा ऐसा वो जो जेल में होता है यार. माता चोद. इसने मेरी आधार कार्ड की फोटो देख ली थी.
He looked
She's like,
exactly
you look
like
like. No, I did look.
No, but people look very weird in
That was
photos.
back
Just
from 2000.
puberty is fine.
What, 13? I don't know. Yeah, I was an ugly teenager growing up.
Who
Most
wasn't?
teenagers. Well, no. Some are
No,
very
bro.
pretty
People were
teenagers.
pretty.
I think teenagers now are very pretty.
But then those very pretty teenagers now not so pretty.
yeah, right.
Yeah, exactly.
So ugly.
Yeah.
मतलब
not
मतलब
all.
The pretty teenagers, when you were a teenager, the ones who were pretty,
Mhm.
a lot of them are not pretty now.
Oh, okay.
I feel they lack personality thoda sa.
Yeah,
That's
because
why
they
they
never
don't
had
carry
to work
themselves.
for it. But also no, the visuals have also like.
I feel ki
Taken a
visuals
hit.
can change. You can basically do stuff with that with your personality and shit.
Yeah.
But I
con-
think their
confidence.
personality never changes after school or something, and then their looks
Yeah,
change into
yeah.
their personality, which is sad.
You
This makes so much sense.
Jazz recently met a few
This
school
makes so
people.
much
Let him cook.
I'm gonna throw you under the bus so much.
Yeah.
But yeah, but also like it's thoda sa sad when you realize that people have they're the exact same that they were in school.
Yeah, thoda, it's a rocky road when you're popular in school, and if you don't get that same momentum going, no, and if you fall off, then it's a hard crash. For a lot of people, I've seen that happening.
I think
Well, if you're at the rock bottom in school, there's no way but up. So
Correct.
that's good.
Exactly.
Correct. So there's a lot of confidence building that can happen. But if you're like really popular in school, and then the whole demographic change, or like you're, let's say you go somewhere else to study in
your
another
bubble
college,
changes and
yeah, and like the same popularity doesn't carry on.
Yeah,
Then so
because-
people have a hard time.
Because all through school, I think they've never had to do the work. Really, they were somehow on the top of your social pyramid.
What's work basically?
The
Just be
work
nice
we
to
did.
people or like
Talk to people or like.
I changed my whole friend group.
Socialize more.
Yeah. or-
social.
Yeah, they're under the
socialization,
mind. I
basically.
mean, I'm assuming they're under the mindset that, oh, why should I be approaching people? People are just supposed to come and talk to me. While that's not really the case.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
assuming.
No, for sure. Could be like a degree of that as well.
Everything happened very naturally in college, though.
For me, yes. Like for us,
Yeah.
all of us, I think we fell into place.
I remember so clearly when I met Chaz. I was talking to someone and I was like discussing a place, and he's like, "Oh, I'm from there too," and I was like, "Oh," and then he introduced himself as I heard Jatin, and I was like, "Yeah."
Oh, हाँ. हमारे को लगता है उसका
For
नाम-
all of first year, he was
Listen.
Jatin to me.
We have we talked about this topic before?
I don't think
In
so.
life or
Oh,
We
okay, not
did,
the podcast.
but we did not
But we
release
didn't.
that podcast.
Oh,
But no, what I was going to say was what's interesting about that is like I remember, like I heard her, and I was so unhinged that I really did not care to make friends.
yeah, you just talking.
I heard her saying Lucknow, and like you're from Lucknow.
No,
And
no,
I was
please
like-
bleep out my school's name, okay?
क्यों?
I just no.
Oh, you're from
No.
So I
Okay,
heard her talking about her school, and
Okay,
I
we
was
will.
like, and I knew someone from my coaching who's from a rival school, literally, and I in front of her only I said like, oh, I have a friend who's from this rival school, I'm gonna tell her. It's so lame and so
I
weird.
know.
But
I
like
did not
college में
care.
you
It was
were
fun.
like
Also,
that,
we were
bro.
like 18 years old.
And everybody was corny like that.
Yeah.
Just like, you know,
I
out
know.
there.
No, but what is interesting to me is like I do not care about
Don't do that.
like what this person
I
thinks of
don't
me.
care
For me,
either.
it's about me and my friend and how I wanna like bitch about this random person who I just heard is from her rival school, and that's it.
Yeah.
It's interesting how we cross paths later. First of all, it takes like
Hey, life update नहीं चाहिए. How's dating life been?
it's bad. It's non-existent.
Cool. Why
And
do
it's
you
only
think
been
so?
a month since I've not.
Why do you
been
think
on
so?
a
Do you
date.
miss it?
Yeah, obviously.
Don't talk amongst each other. Talk to us.
Yeah.
And talk to the room if you're talking. Don't talk. एक दूसरे से मत करो.
Space.
Yeah. Fuck sake.
What should we do then? अपनी बातें अलग start कर दी तो
या हम कर देते हैं.
तुम
तुम
हमारे
कर दो.
ग्रुप में नहीं हो.
No, but I've not been on a new date
New
for
date.
like since a month. That's it. That's okay.
And you're
Yeah,
not
I mean, what the fuck? What do you want? Har din?
I'm not.
Bhanchod?
Calm your titties.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's just like, why have you done?
Are you a
it?
fucking
used to do it
maniac?
before.
तू जैन में भी कहाँ गया? Oh, sorry, we are only in the mid-Feb.
डेटिंग लाइफ के बारे में तुम लोगों को बात नहीं करनी है?
तुम
कर
लोग क्या
सकते
dating
हैं।
life कैसी चल
But
रही है?
I was very
नहीं
start,
सवाल
yeah.
हमने पूछा ऐसे।
इस टेबल से सवाल आया।
मेरी तो है ही
Right
नहीं,
back
like I have
at ya.
literally nothing to say.
Tell us.
तुम बताओ अनघा. Let's
Yeah.
go in this order.
You were saying a lot of stuff अभी थोड़ी देर पहले.
मम्मी देखेंगी क्या ये?
No, actually, my mom is quite up to date with my like life in general, just because I live with her now.
So who are
So you
afraid-
tell her
Who are
everything?
you afraid of?
Yeah.
Like,
I'm
who
not
are you shy
everything, but like I tell her I'm going out on a date.
On a date.
and
Broad
stuff
strokes.
Like, yeah, broad strokes. That's all they need to know, I think.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah.
Has,
I mean,
I have a question. Has your parents' attitude towards dating changed since you were little?
I don't know really what my parents' attitude really was. They're very passive, like with me. They're like, कि अभी ये क्या उम्र है, ये क्या उम्र है. Then I started dating. They were still like, अभी ये क्या उम्र है, ये क्या उम्र है. And then now, randomly, once now I don't have anyone. And then now like कि उम्र आ रही है, for fuck's sake.
Exactly. Now they're like,
So,
अगर कोई हो
I don't
तो
know what
बता
their
दो.
thing is. They've always been on शादी से पहले and शादी आने वाली है and शादी के बाद. Those are their milestones. So there's dating.
Very boomer.
When it happened, they're like, कि, okay, chill. My mom also gave me the talk of the safety and everything, and then like also very Indianized. I've told you guys.
Yeah. That was
Basically,
actually nicely done. I
तुम्हें for the viewers, it was basically कि तुम लोग yeah, like लड़कियों के दिल मत तोड़ना and basically you guys be careful in the sense like लड़कियों की इज्जत होती है if anything goes wrong.
think. General respect.
So like those kind of
old school one.
those kind of
What
complications.
did you get?
Those kinds of complications are basically like more troublesome for girls. Basically, she was saying so like.
Yeah.
That kind of way. But uske baad, yeah, like my parents have been chill. I always ended up telling them about if I was ever seeing anyone. And yeah, my mom would be like कि ये क्या उम्र है ऐसे वैसे, and then she'll be like कि oh क्या करती है, and like she'll get to know things. Dad would not say anything. He would just say कि oh अच्छा तो तुम लोगों का आगे का क्या प्लान है, शादी का प्लान है. मैं कहा यार hold on, ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोच रहे हैं. Like okay, then he'll disappear. I think like he'll come back again थोड़े time बाद like और क्या शादी का कुछ बना.
To them, it's not serious until you
But-
want to get married. It's not worth noting.
This is actually what you said. They did change. Like while I grew up, there was this period where they're like कि okay, बच्चे या आजकल के बच्चे नहीं सोचते ऐसे शादी का, जब करना होगा कर लेंगे. That kind of way. I think मेरे घर में बड़े भैया भी हैं, so like
Yeah.
they're looking for his marriage first.
I said, but women are welcome.
What about bade bhaiyas?
Fuck बड़े भैया.
बड़े भैया का क्या हाल है?
पहले तो they never cared कि क्या चल रहा है.
They did not know about your
They
dating
knew,
life.
but I never had the मतलब I've had a conversation with mom, but वो ऐसे नहीं थी कि ध्यान रखो. Basically, she caught us in between stuff, and then she was like कि ये कोई उम्र है तुम्हारी ये सब करने की.
Oh no. Sorry to interrupt. I was also caught. And then given the
Oh,
talk.
but I think it was so sweet when she like stepped out to let her.
Oh yeah, she just like went away.
That's nice. That was nice actually.
But I think आप लोग बहुत red-handed. You got caught.
हाँ
just
मतलब it was a foul
middle
scene.
of the act.
वो very foul scene.
Yeah.
मैं basically push कर रहा था डोर. नहीं मम्मी नहीं अभी अंदर मत आओ आप. खोल कौन है अंदर?
नहीं यार ये तो painful है.
And then she comes in.
And then she's trying to
Like
dress up and you are trying to dress
grammar
up.
and all of that.
Oh
और
shit.
like, और I thought कि बस अभी आज ही सब कुछ end हो जाएगा.
This can't go up on the internet.
There's no way I'm making इससे आगे because डैड को पता चलने वाला है और फिर मैं पिटने वाला हूँ इसके
और
घर
मैं-
को पता चलने वाला है
Yeah.
Yeah,
और
the
सब कुछ
bad
होने
part is
वाला
I
है.
have a very visual brain.
But somehow what she said was कि ये कोई उम्र नहीं है और and then उसको बोलते हैं कि बेटा आप यहाँ क्यों आए वो बोलते and then she says कि आंटी मैं तो बुक लेने आई थी. I was like wait मैं ना जबरदस्ती पकड़ रखा है say something else कि मैं what do you mean कि मैं बुक लेने आई थी और what was happening यहाँ पे?
नहीं मतलब बुक लेने आई थी एक बात की दूसरी बात और मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कब केस हो गए.
No, but then she was really nice. Like the ex at the time, she was like कि नहीं आंटी प्लीज बट पापा से मत कहना, मतलब अंकल से मत कहना and all of that. अब से ऐसा नहीं होगा. फिर मम्मी ने उसको भेजा. उसके बाद मेरे को बोलती हैं देखो अगर तुम्हें ये सब करना है तो हम तुम्हारी शादी जल्दी करवा देंगे है ना, अगर तुम्हें यही सब करना है. और बाकी अपने बैग में हनुमान चालीसा रखा करो.
The religious one.
And then, और इसको रोज पढ़ा करो. ये सब ठीक नहीं है ये.
और
अभी तुम्हारे
ऋषभ
अंदर
भैया
नहीं
के
है.
बैग में थोड़े टाइम बाद मिले अंकल को कॉन्डम्स.
यार
I didn't realize.
उस टाइम तो लाइक मैं तो आंखें नहीं मिला रहा था. मतलब जबरदस्ती जैसे ही पापा आए मैं सो गया. उससे पहले 1 घंटे पहले मैं नीचे हूँ ऐसे सो रहा हूँ. मेरे पास आते हैं बैठते हैं और बेचा कैसा है. मैं बढ़िया पापा. मैंने जब ऐसे ही हाँ बढ़िया बस नींद में हूँ. फिर वो बोलते हैं कि आज वो कंपाउंडर बोल रहा था कि उसने गेट पे कोई लड़की देखी थी. कोई मिलने आई थी क्या. मैं
हाँ मम्मी मिल चुकी है.
नो दिस इज
Different?
अनदर इंसिडेंट. हाँ मैंने बोला नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. वो ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा था. कह रहे अच्छा ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. मैंने कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. फिर बोलते अच्छा ठीक है मुझे अपने बच्चे पे भरोसा है. सो जाओ.
That's really nice.
मैं सो गया फिर.
नाइस नहीं भाई
That's a strategy.
ये स्ट्रैटेजी है. मतलब देखो उनको भरोसा तो है दैट्स ट्रू बट एट द सेम टाइम उनको दे नो बेटर. They've like grown up doing
Why?
so
They
much.
don't behave like that sometimes.
I mean they know कि क्या चल रहा है but they're like कि I will show trust in you so you know I trust you and you act better basically.
Oh yeah, he keeps saying that to me कि मुझे अपने बच्चों पर बहुत ट्रस्ट है.
Yeah.
I'm like yeah.
Which is a good
Which is
good
really
thing
good.
to
Not
be
everyone
fair.
has that.
Whatever strategy it
Yeah.
is like a good strategy. Good parenting. You show trust.
I'm going to just assume it's not a strategy and that's just how it is.
Yeah, I feel that too. I feel कि him saying that makes him feel good about himself and what he has done अपने बच्चों के साथ तो he feels better then.
So that's the strategy.
I think.
No, in my head it's just like there's no strategy. She just trusts me and that's it. And that's what I'm going to believe. I will not take any other.
She's also trying really hard to believe that. ठीक है तो तुम दोनों करते रहो try.
There's sometimes also as a parent like you wouldn't want to deal with some of the stuff.
We are very avoidant. Let me tell you another
No but
story.
लेकिन सही भी तो है ना like you know they're gonna do it.
लोग बच्चे अपने
That's not the case with me.
How is it with you?
I think just because like I was always in a boarding school and like whatever happened in life was just happening. It didn't necessarily update like play by play. So all of these things got lost in between like me not getting selected into basketball team. That was more important than any other boy then. So I think now she's like interested a lot more and I'm quite avoidant. Just because I'm like, why?
This is
You all
so
also
new.
live together, no?
Yeah, I've
So
never
we-
lived together with my mom.
When I live at home, they get really interested, like in all aspects.
Which
can't
is
tell.
strange.
I don't mind it.
I mean, after a long period of not being interested, I'm just like,
Oh, अच्छा,
what
that
has
way.
changed? क्या हुआ? क्यों?
शादी आ रही.
But they're काफी cute yeah parents are in that sense.
They're so cute.
They're so
yeah.
avoidant. Like I'll tell you a story. एक बार मेरे बैग में
I
पापा
don't.
को मिले a bag of condoms.
Okay. Same incident or like a different pack?
A different incident.
Okay.
So then वो मेरे पास आते हैं.
पिछले वाले में तो कंपाउंडर ने किया था कुछ.
हाँ
snitch.
like वो तो
वो
condom
सामने
incident
hospital
नहीं
से
था.
था ना. This
अच्छा.
is the
ये
condom
condom
incident.
Oh,
incident.
okay, okay, okay.
Like वो आते हैं मेरे पास और बोलते हैं सुनो तुम्हारे बैग में जो है ना वो कहाँ से आया. और मुझे ये नहीं पता क्या है.
Pharmacy?
मैंने बोला कि
Patient.
क्या है मेरे बैग में. क्या है मेरे बैग में और क्या कहाँ से आया. मतलब और जो भी है मुझे नहीं पता. Exactly. No, listen. कि जो भी तुम्हारे बैग में है अगर वो तुम नहीं लेके आए तो वो वहाँ कहाँ से आया. मैंने कि मे बी मेरे फ्रेंड ने कुछ डाल दिया होगा बट वो क्या है मुझे नहीं
जो भी है वो शायद मेरे फ्रेंड ने
एंड
डाल
देन ही
दिया.
सेज कि अपने फ्रेंड्स बदल दो बिकॉज जो भी है वो सही नहीं है.
But you know,
क्या बाबा अनुवाद डाली था वो तो मम्मी ने डाल दी.
so when we were in college, there was There's this general store, like grocery store. Then my friend and I would just visit because I need to step out of the campus, and we would do this thing where we would walk around with a packet of condoms, and we would slightly just put it in any just for the fun of it.
Who is this? You and Mithali? Of course. Unhinged. ये दोनों unhinged तो थे सही में थोड़े से.
It was so fun, and we would wait at the billing counter.
To see the reaction. Prank. But you never reveal it.
It was so fun.
What would they go like? अरे ये मेरा नहीं है.
One of my uncles told me a story अभी कि जब वो छोटे थे तो उनके पास में कोई फैमिली प्लानिंग में डिपार्टमेंट में काम करने वाले रहते थे, so they had boxes of condoms in their house, huge, and they were friends with their son. और वो बहुत छोटे थे, they were like 6-7, so they had no clue what a condom was. तो वो उनके यहाँ गए और उनका बेटा ले आता था condoms सबके लिए, और वो कहता था कि ये गुब्बारे हैं and they would literally blow them up, walk around till they were like scolded by some random uncle कि क्या हटाओ इसे यहाँ से.
Condoms were a hush thing starting में. Even the ads.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
that's
couldn't
what
differentiate
about
between
it.
a dark
पता ही नहीं
fantasy
होगा
ad.
Yeah.
I had no clue for a very long time.
That they were condom ad.
Condom ads, they've never showed a condom. So I had
Yeah,
no
no.
clue
The
what
general
it
vibe
was.
of it कि
Even me
एक
neither,
खटिया है,
actually.
It had
आवाज आ रही
something
है,
to
चू, चू,
do
चू,
with
चू.
sex for sure. You could
Yeah.
tell.
But
Yeah,
see,
but I had no idea what they looked like.
What they look like. What was the.
I
thing
googled
about
it.
Oh, that OG ad ना जिसमें there's this one lady वो साड़ी में वो she's just doing that, उसके बाल उड़ रहे हैं, फिर वो बाइक पे अपने फ्रेंड के साथ है, उसके कान को बाइट करी and all of that. Yeah, basically it's sort of erotica सा.
but that's what I'm saying. But have you seen a chocolate biscuit ad? It's similar.
No.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Yeah, dark fantasy.
Like
is-
what's
yeah,
that ad?
a dark
Katrina
fan.
Kaif.
Oh, Slice is different.
It's but condom ads were like that starting में थोड़ा.
Oh, starting में.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't remember starting वाले condom ad.
The oldest condom ad I remember is like this guy is like very shy of saying it.
इस रात की सुबह ही नहीं वाला ad, you guys don't know, इस रात की सुबह ही नहीं.
हाँ, that I
right?
remember.
That
But
one.
उससे
Like I
पहले
recall.
उससे पुराना, the first time I heard the word condom was because of this ad where it's like these guys in a village are very shy to say it, and then some wise person comes and it says like bolo condom.
Yes, exactly. There was a
Condom.
government policy.
use करो, हाँ.
This was a
It's
government policy
ad.
कि खुल के बोलो condom.
But I think awareness is very important,
And I
yeah.
asked my brother what is
पहले तो बस निरोध की ads आती थी, and they wouldn't even like say condom. I think I don't know if it was a condom ad, but you would get like nirodh ads.
What's Nirod?
Nirodh is contraception.
Oh, okay.
So like I would get those ads उसमें आंटियाँ जा रही हैं, like I don't know if they were even.
कहाँ जा
Yeah,
रहा
it was nirodh ads, bro. It was some government ads, but nothing was explicitly mentioned. But like if you knew वाली बात थी यार.
But there was an era in Indian advertising where they did a lot of this informative stuff. Like, there's no other country that advertises pharmaceutical drugs, which India had to, just because of the demographic that we have. Even Plan Bs, which is, have you seen Plan B ads? Those I remember.
Yeah. iPill की ads I remember.
Oh yeah.
iPill, where else do you know it from? You know it from
Yeah,
TV
it's
only.
like an iPill has become in India. It's like Xerox.
Synonymous with
Yeah, it's like Xerox.
By the way, when I saw as a kid an iPill ad, I had no idea. I thought it was like period prevention. Because it was always like कि निश्चिंत रहे, वो रहे.
मुझे भी
हम
exactly
इस बारे
पता
में
नहीं था.
निश्चिंत रहे.
That's just because
I realized
sex was a lot more advertised than women's health in general. Do you know?
In movies and everything.
But do you know they only started testing pads with real period blood last
I
year?
heard this.
In 2023!
यार औरतों की existence का मजाक बड़ा रखा है लोगों ने.
Oh, मतलब, I was shook. I also never knew it.
Another fact like that कि real like I think the seat belts are not made for like
Cars are not
women's
made for
subjects.
women. Yeah, cars are not made for women. Pain meds are not made for women. You know, when you have put an IUD in, there's no
That's
pain
not
management for
super-
it.
Super painful.
But for vasectomies, there are. A vasectomy is also reversible. There's so many things.
Yeah, women existence is
the more you hear about, especially medically, about the cases amongst like your friends, you realize how this seems like it seems like an ancient technique of doing things. Like how bad ultrasounds are so invasive. And I was like,
No, I'm not ultrasounds.
no, there is an ultrasound, a separate kind where they like literally go
Insert a thing
in. And
in
it's
there.
super invasive. And I'm like, see, doesn't it sound like impossible in this age? Like ये तो बहुत पहले शायद करते होंगे, अब तो जरूरत नहीं है, but no.
No,
I mean,
but
how else
generally
would you
tests are
get a
quite
sample from
invasive.
inside?
Sure,
Sometimes it's required, no.
No, it's not like a sample. There's like the whole jelly and the
Yeah.
thing is going inside.
They're
bro.
putting in a
Oh, yo, I'm doing
Yeah,
this
to make
inside
it
your
open.
booty.
Yeah.
No, that's a pap smear, yaar.
No, pap smear में तो you put.
But you're also opening with they open your cervix with a tool.
Right, and उसके बाद
They
like
scrape
insert a
out.
small scabs.
It's still scraping.
But dude, तूने ultrasound का वो देखा? It's like मोटा सा remote.
I'm sure they have like
Some men
They're
would.
shoving the whole thing inside people.
But what test is? But
No, I don't
what?
think it's the whole thing. It's like a patla sa pipe maybe, bro.
But I heard the jelly that they use for ultrasound, that's still used.
Yeah, for sure. But what test is this? I have not heard of it, and I wish I never encounter it.
Right, like there are all kinds of invasive procedures. I'm
Yeah,
not sure, like,
which
if
could
that's
have easily been like, if any thought was put into it, we could have been done away. Like,
not entirely sure उन use cases का. I'm sure कुछ तो better way होता. But like यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे ना तुम्हारे लिए, तो
Yeah.
उतने अच्छे use cases में क्यों दिमाग लगाएगा कोई? वो तो like it's just like when you go down the rabbit hole of solving problems, standardizing things for women. ये वाली problem कितने नीचे आएगी? पहले तो like pink tax and all that.
पहले तो standardizing things for women कितने नीचे आएगा.
Exactly उसको देखो.
Yeah.
पहले तो it would be all about कि मेल का ultrasound जो हो रहा है वो और कैसे बेटर किया जाए. फिर सोचेंगे.
Ab I think can be a different story now. Like diversity hiring is like now, what? Who did this? Like some country, diversity hiring now has a score. So your company, if you do diversity hiring,
But
you
diversity
get a higher
hiring is
score.
not like
No, bro, they're gonna
exclusive to
fuck all
women.
genders now. Like all
It's not
genders, they
gen-
don't care. वो
Yeah, it's
equality
mostly
भी कर
race
देंगे.
and sexuality.
Yeah. Like I think as things get more modern or all that kind, so
Progressive.
everybody will have standard health. मतलब सब पे बन जाएंगे. Like it will be you also taken care of, you also taken care of, your particular thing also taken care of. Depressed individuals के लिए भी है, सबके लिए है, सबके लिए solution है eventually. But can you afford it though? वो सबके लिए नहीं है. So like pocket सबकी same नहीं है. So I think eventually the apparent ways of sexism थोड़े solve हो सकते हैं. Apparent, like background में तो सब चलता ही रहेगा. But like class
Class, you can't. I
is
don't
still
think you'll
very
solve it.
apparent.
Yeah, because that's just how people make money.
Yeah. And money is everything.
Yeah.
But ये घंटे पे जाओ. I was thinking about like being in, like having something being inserted into your genitals
Wow.
to like
Fun thing to think about.
to like no, in like a hospital room, such a different experience that my body probably won't go through because I'm a man. तो इससे if you were a man for a day, Anagha, what would you do with that body?
But that body.
This question is
or-
by the way for everyone. Or what if you were a biological
Let's say
woman
with that body.
for a day, biological woman for a day, man for a day, क्या करते हैं?
I know what I'm gonna do. But
बताओ.
you guys
Look at your chair.
मेरे साथ भी है कि
It's like Joey. How'd you get any work done? Me, oh.
Will you start, Rishu, if you know it?
I would apply for an unachievable job and probably get it.
Once you're back in your body, that guy has the job and you have nothing.
You have to understand
have
there's
You're
one
nothing.
working,
day.
switching bodies, you're
you
working.
have one.
You have to understand that men's bodies are not necessarily beautiful. They all bodies are beautiful.
No. Like use the Twitter in whatever way, but like you, beautiful की जगह
So
you
gonna get
used it
cancelled
for
or
getting a job.
Yeah, this must be much
But
You
this
could
is
have walked
space enough.
outside बाहर,
Yeah,
हरियाणा जा
I'm
सकती
getting
थी.
there. Wait, मुझे हरियाणा नहीं जाना है.
नहीं वो safe होगी मर्द.
I can't even think like.
वैसे वहाँ मर्द भी safe नहीं लगते मुझे.
मैं तो नहीं.
Oh, could I be a tall man? I because I feel like
Any man.
okay, I realized I wore these really, really high heels one day, and I was like, the world is so different from up here. I want to be tall. So if I were a tall man, that would be really
What
nice.
would you do?
I would go for a walk. At night.
Those manly legs at those manly hours.
Yeah, I would wear
Unfortunate.
really tiny shorts without a shirt and go for a run.
That's something.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
जॉब कर रही थी apply पहले.
मुझे वो भी चाहिए.
One day, bro, you better do something better.
Yeah.
किसी को punch कर, get into a bar fight.
Violence doesn't appeal to me.
Get
I
into
like
a
to
fight,
see
bro.
it. No.
Cut a tree.
Cut a tree, build a wall or something.
वो बस all that is nice visually. मुझे करना नहीं है. I want to see it. Go to wall.
Go to wall. Cement those wall में. I'd be like, wow. Wow.
It's just
You know what I
what
would do?
men's brains are. A
Like मैं
little.
ये सोच रहा था. What would it feel like?
Oh, and I would also think, like active. Sorry to cut you off. I would actively think, since I'm a man now, how much do I think about the Roman Empire?
How much do you know about Roman Empire? Being a girl?
Zilch,
You don't know
and
nothing
nada.
about Roman
I only
Empire.
know. I mean, nothing that I actively think about. Maximum knowledge is like school history books and stuff. I was never interested to like research it until I went.
And then,
It's interesting, but it's just-
I've known about Roman Empire from indirect methods, not particularly about Roman Empire. I've went reading, but like I've found out some, let's say Alexander. And then you know
Alexander's
about,
so famous.
and then you get to know about, and then Socrates or these people, like they were before Roman Empire, but they were like.
but what would you do?
Alright,
In the name
What would
of
you do?
Roman
हाँ
in-
यार fuck the Roman Empire.
Women's body.
Women's body. चाहे
I would. I don't know exactly what I do. The thing is, it's also half being in a woman body and half being not in my own body. So I would wear like my idea of like the sexiest S&M latex kind of thing with heels, garters, latex, make it a little bit medieval, and I would walk.
What about the makeup?
I would do a lot of makeup, have fun with it, look good. I would have long hair. I would have fun with it. I would just have fun playing. And I would be like the hottest, sexiest. Like I know when I walk out, like everybody is just drooling. Because I really want to experience that. I don't know, always. I want to just go out and be
I don't know how much fun.
hottest, most wanted person.
What road are you
feel
walking
that.
down? What road are you strutting down?
I'm going to Khan Market. Or I'm going to
Cab.
If I'm here. Oh, wow. No.
Yeah, real.
हो सकता है तू डिसाइड नहीं करता
Bring your friends. अपने
I'm a
दोस्तों को
man,
कॉल पे
I'm
रखें.
driving that cab and you better beware.
I would.
बट नहीं ये वो वाले कपड़े पहन के जा सकता है ना लाइक the layer you guys wear.
पर उसे नहीं पहनना.
I would go on.
यार बियो.
Like no
line
reality,
woman.
no sense of reality, cause man.
Like मेरा बहुत ही like nonsensical reality होगा, but I would be really hot and I would go in a cab. I would go to Khan Market for the day. I would drink around. Then no, I would go to Sly Granny and I would walk around. I would club hop a lot, and I would then go to a gay club also to get all the Yas queens in. And then once I'm feeling not Kitty Shua, but I would go to a better gay club. And then I would go to clubs and I would go club hopping. I would like try to get
Get free
for
drinks,
yes.
yeah, bro.
And then I would
Compliments.
Yeah.
Compliments.
From other
Free
women.
entry.
Men as well.
And then yes, I will
No,
go
no,
to
no.
the
And lead
Women's
them.
washroom.
Lead them on.
This is my fantasy. I would go to the. I would go to women's washroom.
Wholesome.
Why?
Creep.
Women's washroom is
Yes,
the
girls have
vibe.
told me it's the vibe. If you get compliments, girls are very supportive of each other. They love each other.
it's the best
So I would
place.
want to feel that love because guys' washroom is like you're trying to avoid eye contact. You're trying to just avoid, and girls' washroom.
So
is
you've
like
not
everything
been
is done.
you've not been drunk enough in a guy's washroom.
And
then it's
then-
not all any of that. If you're like really drunk in a guy's washroom and there's another really drunk guy in a guy's washroom,
Then
then you
it's a
become
party.
best of friends.
Then
bro.
it's a
best
party.
of friends.
वैसे but it doesn't happen as often as it seems like. Also, then since okay, I've always wondered what it's like to have sex when I am the receiver or
The bottom.
or the bottom. Yeah.
You can still do that as a
one that
man.
gets smoked in.
I don't think it's for me, but I would like have sex.
Mookie Bear.
So basically, I was also thinking the same thing. Like if I'm a woman and my hypothesis is कि फिर मैं बंदी बन गया हूँ तो मेरे को अब बंदे पसंद आ रहे हैं. तो मैं बस सोच रहा था कि कैसा होगा बिकॉज मतलब मैं यूजुअली मतलब इन माई बॉडी आई एम स्ट्रेट बट अगर वहाँ पे मैं मतलब आई वुड बी स्ट्रेट बट लाइक अ वुमन सो आई वुड बी हैविंग सेक्स विद अ मैन तो लाइक कोई मेरी पीठ पे मुट्ठी गिरती अगर तो लाइक कैसा ठंडा ठंडा गीला लाइक इज दैट फीलिंग ब्रो लाइक समबडी जस्ट जिस्ड ऑन यू लाइक यू एनीवेयर लाइक तुम्हारी बाजू पे आंख में गिर गया कुछ लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट्स फैक्ट्स ऐसे ही होता है कहीं भी जाती है मुट्ठी जब वो व्हेन दैट शिट
Slowly
फ्लाइज इट्स
regretting.
एवरीवेयर बट लाइक जस्ट अचानक से गीला ओह दैट्स कोल्ड यू नो a thing to tell
Then smear it all
and I would get a BBL.
I would hope that I already got the the big booty. You know, more than sex, what I want to do. Sorry, one last point is, I really want to experience that this because men are so down bad. I want to like feel like this person in front of me. I have this
Desperation.
power
Bas.
over them.
वही तो
that
मैं कह
I
रहा
could
हूँ.
just make or break their night. I could just destroy this person right now, or I could just
Tomorrow,
give
my
them forward.
funeral.
Yeah, what I'd do. I would like go flirt with these really rich men, get a lot of
How do you know
offerings.
they're rich men? I don't know how to tell if men
I
are
don't know
rich
if they're
or
poor.
not.
If they're willing to throw money on me, although they're rich in my books, basically. Like I'll be a woman, no, and they're throwing money on me because I'll be sexy, and I'll lead them on major, and then I will pick like a homie to hit, maybe like wanna hit a.
Yeah, but guys-
तुझे दिलाता हूँ कुछ माल चीज.
I don't want to be part of this anymore.
But
Wow, give it up. Give that Gucci up to your homie.
So much of this should be
But you guys are
redacted.
missing the most important thing.
Clutch
Like,
care.
BBL
Clutch
is nice.
care.
Compliments are great.
Yeah.
No, you tell us what you want to be.
He's getting
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So BBL is nice, compliments are great, and all of that, like women camaraderie and all of that is good. But I'll
But-
be honest, being a man in this world, like I wouldn't choose any other thing.
Yeah.
It's made the world is for us and everything.
I was
like
gonna
that.
throw my shoe at you and we were gonna be like, being a man is hard.
No, but there's one thing where I feel ki men got cheated, and women have like there's so much imbalance, and that's when it comes to orgasm. Because women orgasm
क्या क्या चाहिए?
is a different thing. I know मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए. ये भी दो, वो भी दो.
That's what
Like,
I want to
तो
have,
मुट्ठी
like,
भी नहीं मारेगी एक बार.
Exactly.
अगर तू
I want to
मतलब
do
एक मर्द की बॉडी में होगी तो एक बार मुट्ठी भी नहीं मारेगी.
हाँ, but that's not my. I'm
That
telling you,
would
our
kill your mind.
priorities are so different. That's what I was
Won't
gonna.
fondle with the dick.
Wait, let him finish.
Okay.
See, that day I woke up and I've got boobs and what JJ. पहले तो half an hour or so I'll be playing with my boobs only because I've always wanted.
Fair bro, मैं भी मेरा दिन खत्म ना हो जाए.
Yes, and after that I'll be having orgasm like clitoral orgasms, 5 in a row, then vaginal orgasms, then again a clitoral orgasm, and उसके बाद भी I'll be in that high. There's no post-nut clarity or any of that shit.
यार वो तो it's fun, no? Thinking about that.
What is post-nut clarity? Is it
It's
a
the
thing?
worst thing ever.
Tell me more about
Personal
it.
clarity is as soon as you nut as a guy, you feel this cold dawn blue feeling all over your mood and your body. It's like makes you go like
मैंने क्या किया
क्या किया like
Wait, let me tell you how it
हटाओ
is.
यार. If I like see the residual, like I'm just washing my hands, you know, and
Yeah.
the phone is at the side, वो lock हो गया. मैं वापस करूँगा like छी.
Exactly.
मैं क्या यार क्या
And you know why it happens? Because
देखना नहीं है.
male and women biologically they're different.
अच्छा.
So what happens? In terms of
It's for the viewers.
they don't know it, यार.
Condescending bitch.
So see, जब male orgasm होता है ना तो what happens is कि आपका hormones gets up and एकदम से there's a release and then everything goes down, boom. इतना like it's a straight downfall वहाँ से crash and then you basically depletion हो रहा है वहाँ पे and it's the worst moment ever.
There's no way up.
No,
Anytime
no.
soon.
There's no way up उसके बाद. There's one way only, then that's down आप नीचे जा रहे हो थिंकिंग अबाउट मैंने क्या कर लिया. बचपन में तो किड्स यूज्ड टू से कि यार
Then it's a
मैं
very
बहुत गंदी
slow
हरकत करने लगा
restoration
हूँ,
of your
मुझे
mood.
नहीं
But
करना
then,
चाहिए ये सब.
but when teenage boys discover wanking, they are like on it like rabbits. What's that about then?
You
I went
have
crazy too.
You have to. There's a basically phase in between. जहाँ पे पहले तो you like, oh I enjoy it, but I shouldn't be doing this so much.
Oh yeah, you're also low-key guilty.
You get to that point. जहाँ
It's
पे
like ordering McDonald's and you're like, yay, and then you eat it and you're like, chee, and then you order it again a week later,
Kinda
like
like
that.
Fair.
Yeah.
But with women, you go up there, have your orgasm, and then you stay वहाँ पे for a while, and then you can go another ladder up.
Yeah,
उसके बाद एक और.
there
उसके
is
बाद एक
no
और.
glass ceiling there.
Fun, bro.
I miss that.
You missed that?
I mean, I wish I had that.
It's like, I
wish
mean,
I had that. Of course. But when I see लोगों को having that orgasm, I'm like, wait, ये कैसे हो रहा है और ये बार-बार क्यों हो रहा है?
but I really want like a trans man's take on this.
Yeah, I was just thinking of this.
Would it
Yeah.
be different?
I don't know. That's why I want to know.
They've seen both sides, no?
And also, like,
That's what you mean.
their biology
But
must
are
have
they
not
biologically
changed that
different?
much.
Like someone who's
What's
got
going
surgically-
on? But their hormones,
But their hormones are
also they're on T, yeah. But I don't know what's going on. I would like to know.
Someone who's surgically experienced both parts, both kinds of genitals, like a clitoral orgasm also, and then also wanked their dick, would be an experience, like a really deeply experienced take on both.
Someone needs to write about that
Yeah.
and let this world know.
But I also wonder.
I'm sure they'll write
I'm
about
sure it's
treatment
there, we
of
just haven't
theories
looked.
used. Something.
But I wonder if gender dysmorphia lets you enjoy an orgasm.
But not everyone necessarily goes through the same type of gender dysmorphia.
Well, that's what I'm wondering. It's a wondering question whether it happens at all or it happens to some people.
Does it?
If you
Let
are
us
someone-
know.
Who knows, people would be interested in sharing their
Experiences.
like that?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. क्या मस्त बोला. मैं बिल्कुल यूट्यूबर बनता जा रहा हूँ.
Like, share, subscribe.
Please, bye. सच में मेरी हिम्मत टूटती जा रही है हर बार editing.
Showed up on my For You page. For me, you're viral now.
Okay, let's talk about moves. How to make moves. Because I really need game, bro.
Oh.
I
ठीक है.
learned एक नया move आज. The knee move.
Tell us. Oh, the knee action.
Knee action.
Oh, I need to tell my
So
mother
apparently
to
you
know.
have to go through that. You have
No, you
to do some knee action first, then you get to kiss the person. But yeah, it makes sense. The lead up to it.
Okay, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in general, obviously everyone's so hyper aware. You just need to like chill the fuck out, thoda sa.
Okay. But I feel knee is basically a sensitive part, na काफी.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा
Why not? What is this? How I met your mother knowledge issue?
क्या? I think we need to start with the basics of camera and teach you things.
But
What?
one, it's not a move, but one thing, like while you're about,
Just like, sorry.
when you're in that space, when you feel, if you feel the vibe that are we gonna kiss, I think it's very common. It's not even a move, but you look at other person's lips, like you do this.
Oh no, I know that.
Really?
And that's a clear indication to do that too. That's like you're about
Really?
to smash
I
it.
mean, you have to at one point.
I don't like the move.
I mean, I
Make
look at
some-
lips, but I don't think they're reading it, or I'm not like trying to be noticeable about it if I'm looking at their lips.
I mean, I don't notice it.
I mean,
And also,
subconsciously you have to basically be receptive to kuch.
I don't know.
which
It also
basically
looks very
action
like
or
a
something.
that lip thing feels like a very turkey move.
You know what I usually do?
If you're
That's
not feeling
not
the
what you
vibe.
were
Yeah.
But if you're
yeah.
feeling the same vibe, then it's not a turkey.
Probably.
Exactly, why you have to understand.
For that's for every move,
where
by the
you're
way.
at.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what every move. Yeah.
No, but I've had moments when I've had that build up, have that vibe also. So both of us are like waiting to make the first move. That's one thing. That's easier, you know, like whoever makes the first move, both of the parties are ready to like just get into it. But then there are moments where there isn't quite that build up yet, and it's getting cold or dry, and basically then what I would do is I would basically ask them, I don't know, like to sit closer or hold their hand like some way like that. Give me your hand, and then I talk to that. फिर क्या हुआ वैसे वैसे.
Yeah.
Like just between conversation, after their hands, so like you can build up the intimacy through your hands.
Like why? See, you do come to a certain, like you meet a certain person with certain ideas in your head. You don't always have to act them out. I think you need to be aware of the room. You need to see what is happening and be reciprocative.
What a-
All of that.
Like when you guys are ovulating, don't you just like wanna fuck the brains out of a dude? I've heard that for some women. I'm sure like not the same for everyone.
It's also not
But I
like.
want to meet those people, you know, sometimes. I want like just make it
When are you
uncomplicated,
ovulating?
मतलब just post it somewhere कि available. Don't even talk to me. Show up at this address. Shut the fuck up and let's hump. All out. You know, I don't want talking, no build up, no nothing. Like I don't want to play games. Just be gone after I'm cleaned up. You know, like okay, cool. Gone, ma'am.
There's a service for that, you know.
Yeah, no. No. Have you heard about that service? Enough.
What service?
Prostitution, no.
Oh.
But like that's no.
There's better ways. I mean, there's
I
this
know.
app, Pure app.
This is
which
where
much-
someone
much
actually
better.
wanted to be fucked, and I wanted to fuck them. Prostitution, that's not the case, and that's why it makes
Prostitution feels so
it wrong.
unnecessary. So,
Wrong भी नहीं. It's nice, but ऐसा लगता है
I
India
mean, you're
में
touching someone, and then there's no reaction, there's no feedback
Oh, bro.
from that other side.
Yeah,
And you
from-
keep on touching, keep on doing what you're doing. That's just so. Like,
it's not even
uncomfortable
कि
and
reaction
unnecessary
नहीं है
thing.
दूसरे side से, but ऐसे reactions like they could be like हो गया तुम्हारा.
How do you guys know
They're like just getting
this?
over this
we know
from
stuff.
accounts of people.
Okay.
Internet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, just
Like
the
I've never
internet.
been personally. I don't think I'll ever pay for sex because that's something against
I can pay for something.
my core principles. Yeah, but if I'm gonna pay for sex, it needs to be someone doing it really professionally, getting really paid really well, are happy in their life and choose it as their profession. It's like, fuck yes.
They know their service.
And they know
what
how
they're
to
bringing
go
in.
about doing this also. They have a user
Exactly.
experience. I don't know how to like.
You want someone good at the job.
Yeah, I'm not someone who's like doing it for. I'm as a last resort,
Right.
which is the case for a lot of people.
Yeah, tell us about you.
About what? Me
That-
paying for it? Exactly. Like I want
Okay.
someone basically who's a professional at that, and they are doing that. I mean, they're thoda involved into that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
They feel that they need to give out some, let's say, pleasure or services, which they really want, not really want to do, but they kind of like doing
They
that.
take pride in their profession, like sort of. They own their profession, no?
Exactly. Yeah.
And
yeah.
then they basically are methodical about
There are
how they
very
do things.
curious
They're not
people
like
out there,
कि
right?
"नहीं, ये बस
Right.
Who
करना
are
है."
basically looking for to do lot of things like this. Once you start
An array, yeah.
go into that pura ka pura genre, that people are looking for people. I'm looking for a sub. I'm looking for a dom to do this, to play this kink
Oh, I
out,
would
to do
pay,
that shit.
I would pay a dom mommy to
Yes, exactly.
fucking do all
who
kinds
would
of
not?
shit to me. But if she's like, because she knows her shit and she has a business and she does it on her way, in her terms, not like I'm going somewhere where some, just like trying to get by.
That should be no power imbalance sort of thing.
Power imbalance, yeah.
Power
At least when you're
imbalance-
making that
It's a
transaction,
turn off.
once you go into that act, then of course, if you're a dom, you'll be a dom.
Also, if you could get comfortable, with someone, like let's say if it's not
They want a
BDSM,
girlfriend.
I know, if it's vanilla sex. क्या हुआ?
What?
I said they want a girlfriend. You want to get
no.
comfortable. You want someone who's good at
No. Girlfriend is commitment. I'm saying I want to show up one day and then I pay you and then I'm gone.
I didn't know he wants to be comfortable. He wants to feel all of the vibes
Is that
there.
Not
I
from
wanna
one
feel around
person
sex.
and not forever. I'm not saying that. So the idea is one dog mommy. I know her shop. I can go to that. Then there's one vanilla sex. Someone who's like a prostitute and they specialize in just not BDSM or like just
Different
general.
experiences.
Yeah.
At this
I
point,
would
we're
go there.
making a business strategy, a
It's
module.
the oldest profession
Yeah.
in the world.
But the thing with me is that I wouldn't pay for sex because I want sex. I want to know what is good sex to me. So I think that's where I matches like what do I like. And that
Go
makes a
out
lot
there,
of
meet people.
experimentation.
It's not that easy for
very
everyone.
good
now.
process.
Yeah.
especially when you don't have time.
Yeah, you
And
don't
then
have that bandwidth now. Let's say you.
What if you
other stuff to
don't
do.
really bag really attractive people, let's say, in your social experience, and then you want to fuck someone really attractive and you can afford
Yeah,
their business,
that's
then why
different.
But no, like the difference I see is like, first of all, I have to, like, this is my personal experience. I really want to make sure that I'm comfortable, because I really can't tell consciously if I'm comfortable or not. Like it takes, like, it is really hard for me to tell whether I'm involving in this sexual activity because I want to impress this person, or if I don't want to disappoint this person, or I'm in this because I actually want to. So that's why it's like, first of all, I have to like take time. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, like the real, like what you're talking about.
okay.
Then I also want to make sure that it's comfortable for them, and that's like a whole process. Like with paid, or if it's like a service thing, I would like to experience different things. That person would be an
That's
expert.
important.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
this is not
take
working for you.
charge.
Maybe we can try this. Like,
I would love someone who takes charge, bro.
therapy.
Right? Like, is this okay? Alright, okay. And then they just know you, like, because they treat dummies like you every day, right? So they're just like an expert at their shit. And I want to just feel like a fucking, someone who's just taken care of, fucked right to sleep, and then they were gone. Like, great service.
That's
Would
how
you
I
not,
would be.
like, pay for sex?
No, I just am generally feeling so unsafe around women. I'm sorry, men. But also, like, think about it. If you go to
What if
like,
it's like a really good resort, a good service, and then they offer prostitution services?
I
I
don't
think it's
know.
about feeling comfortable, because sex is about intimacy, and intimacy is about the vulnerability, how much vulnerable you
What
can
if
be
you're
in
like
that
in a
position.
group? What if
Yeah,
you like
but-
8 people and you can hire 3 folks to fuck you all?
Yeah, but see,
Does that make it
that
more
doesn't
safe?
sound very. That's
Yeah, I
right.
mean,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to
That's
make this.
ratchet.
I'm just trying to make it safer,
Are there
bro.
any conditions where you would?
No, see, the thing with me is that I, for one, would not have sex with someone I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you a demisexual?
No,
What?
maybe.
Yeah. Isn't that supposed to be like you can't just
But why?
bang
Why?
your boss?
See, but it's. I don't know. It's just that.
No,
I'm
not
gonna
saying
sound really.
Not every day. I'm just saying can there be a day in a year where you just want to fuck someone?
See, there definitely could be a lot of exceptions that I'm not accounting for right now. But in my head right now, I don't think so. Just because
What do you need then?
Connection.
my therapist and me are finding out. No, I'm not going to my sessions. No, I don't know. I feel like, yeah, I need to talk to the person for a while. I need to get to know them.
No, they would talk to you.
Because I get the ick very quickly.
Huh.
So I don't know. I just feel like I need to kind of talk to them for a bit, and then see.
You know, that's how people who are in BDSM and these kind of circles, that's how they basically filter you out. They'll come to you, they'll talk to you. There'll be married couples inviting you for, let's say, a meet at a restaurant, and then they'll talk to you about things. Ki, what's your view on this?
Vibes. Vibe check.
Just
Yeah.
to check ki what kind of basically thought process you have in your head,
Right.
which is so nice. I feel.
You have to ensure safety. Or
Not
Yeah.
just about safety. Not just
But
about safety.
also like a good experience, right? Because that's what it's
Yes.
about.
Yes, it's about the experience.
Yeah.
That's the point. Like there's good onboarding.
Yeah.
It's not like a shock to the system.
Right.
You can prepare yourself mentally.
Yeah.
I think
And I'm also prepared for like looking around for people to do that without paying for it, because
Yeah.
this is just this general sort of confidence that I've over time built up that I'm capable of it, and I know there's going to be good stuff coming my way. So I just don't feel the need to pay for it.
titty privileges.
कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
Yeah. I mean, हमारी जात ने तो just scared the women too much, bro. They don't trust us now.
Yeah, like imagine going, even if you're going to a brothel, it's so pretty, there's so many amazing women out there dressed so nicely. Now imagine going.
It's not.
But they're rude.
But yeah, whatever.
Who the fuck told you
What kind of
brothels
brothel?
look like that?
In my head, it,
यो ये कोई जवानी या दीवानी नहीं चल रही है
No, no,
जो
no.
मेरा घाघरा नहीं
It's
चल
ugly. It's
Bro,
ugly.
people aren't. They don't have access to good hygiene.
ठीक है, okay, but replace those women with men, and it becomes
I don't
100
think it'll
times
make much
scarier.
difference, let me tell
That
you.
place to we're also not going. See, like we also wanted the condition for us to
Yeah.
access, for me to access at least, prostitution is great hygiene, maybe my place. You bring your stuff, whatever, the whole spread, you
Your
bring
toys
it,
and stuff.
right? You bring it.
Urban
and then
clap.
Maybe we meet. I'll just use them as like an AI bot.
Object.
You know, I'll give them the prompt, and they basically just tell me
But
what
why
they
do
think
you-
about it.
Achha,
Like
okay.
I won't be shy in the sense. I think I can just truly talk to them as a professional. Like they know this shit, and I can rest easy now because they know usually how to drive it, and that's the confidence I get with someone who's doing it as a profession, professionally, and also very confidently owning it, and that's their thing. They go about doing their thing.
Yeah. Fair.
So that would eliminate mera thing for, and I would have a safe word, I guess, or anything like that.
You planned.
You guys don't have safe words?
I mean,
I
I'm
mean,
not
not you.
been
In
into.
general.
Dog.
Yeah.
I've not been into
Not been
mad
to sex.
BDSM shit ever for it to be a requirement of a safe
Can you
word,
pass me water?
right? So like, BDSM kabhi not too deep into it ever.
Interesting.
What's your safe word, Rishu?
Podium.
Thank you.
I did not need
Oh,
to know
fuck
that. No, don't you ever
What?
take his name.
Can't look at him the
Oh,
same, bro.
oh no.
They love him.
To each their own.
Foul.
Okay.
Oh, I need a tall glass of
We
water.
know that.
Information I never needed to know.
Yeah.
Well, we asked for it.
I never did.
Yeah, you were looking at me कि क्या है क्या है?
Prostitution we can move on from. Sex. In general, sex.
मैं इस episode पे
give you-
क्यों आई?
I'll tell you one thing. What I feel. Just people being obsessed, mad obsessed with sex. People need correction. Guys, from my experience, because I've seen guys and they've talked openly around me how crazy they're about sex. Like they're rabid. Oh, bandi, choo. Like where's yeah, I mean, it's the reality.
Let's be real.
What, you guys don't talk
He-
about foul shit in
Not
your group
like
chat?
that.
No, but you
Well,
really
you
painted
use
a
better
picture.
words,
Yeah.
but you talk about foul shit in your chats.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's the
yeah.
space that they're going for. And then they also say some really problematic shit. In my experience, like men just feel entitled to saying
Generally
kuch bhi.
problematic.
But usually I think they're just so driven by that sex. Is because वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा is not deprivation.
Oh,
only.
it's also-
It's the idea.
Yeah.
It's the power. एक तो
Yeah.
पहले the power you
Also,
feel.
how much they've read and heard about it, and I don't know.
Sex is like a trophy for them कि देख मेरे
Like,
पास ये trophy है.
उन्होंने सुना होता है बहुत कुछ. Heard about sex, they have plenty, but so much disinformation men
Yeah,
have. No?
yeah.
Like पूरे टाइम उनको जो भी पता चलता है, like मुट्ठी मत मार, पिंपल्स हो जाएंगे.
What?
लंबा हो गया, मुट्ठी मार रहा है आजकल ज़्यादा. So like you can't really separate what is right about sex that you heard from wrong, and you usually go with whatever you've heard,
Right.
and you go about believing
Shit
that.
up.
Yeah, and you cook shit up.
Okay.
But is it that's what I was always confused about, is like when I've been around this energy, I could not relate. And I genuinely felt like they are actually like, this is like an act. Like they don't actually have these passionate feelings, that they're just
No, I don't think
talking way
high
up to seem more bro. That is my like perspective. So that's what I was confused. I always like why do I not feel like this like whatever this is?
There's definitely an
Voice
element
social
of
sort of thing.
yeah. There's definitely an element of hyping it up and making it to bigger deal. Like even when you're not saying it, it's cool to say कि वो चूत चाहिए, मुझे बंदी चाहिए. But like apart from that, I think like they're also very horny, so they do actually feel a lot of what they're saying. It's just that they don't have healthy means to say कि मैं horny हूँ, I want to go out, talk to someone,
Read
get-
a
put myself
book.
out there. They're also highly insecure. They don't know how to
Yeah.
socialize with women, so all they can do is fantasize.
Yeah.
They usually know that possibility of having sex so easily, जितना उनके दिमाग में वो होता है, is none almost. So what they do resort to is just fantasizing about sex too much पूरे
I
time.
think it's a mixed bag of people. I think there could be guys who actually feel this horny or amped up. But I just feel like there is actually, that's not the reality. I think a lot of guys are actually don't have those like amped up feelings, and but this idea of that you have to be an amped up crazy rabid or seem that way, that they just play along so much because that is the accepted part of the group, and that is the energy you should be bringing. Otherwise you will be looked at weird.
Which is true. Like in some
There's
form,
an element.
He
of
can't
that.
swallow the bones.
But it's not
Karthik.
like.
Yeah, so I think it's like, I think most of it is like,
See, mixed bag when you say, it comes to me as you are saying 50-50 ऐसे है, या फिर ज़्यादा लोग हैं जो हॉर्नी नहीं है और बेसिकली ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे हैं जो हॉर्नी नहीं है और कम लोग हैं जो हॉर्नी है और उन्होंने माहौल बनाया है तो सब माहौल में हॉर्नी एक्ट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट द केस.
boys are horny, yeah.
I think in general people
more
are
horny.
largely 90%
Maybe
people
you
are
belong
horny.
to a smaller percentage.
What
of
is the
that.
percentage of asexuals in this world?
I'm not saying asexual, but
Bro,
like to be that
growing
amped up is
teenager
different.
में amped up, like I get a boner class में
But
out of nowhere. what the
see,
fuck?
that's your experience and my experience is completely different. So that's why I think
I'm just
it's
saying
not
19
as
out of
common as
20
I
boys
think.
in the class got a boner and there were like 2-3 boys that wouldn't. So it is a very common experience. I'm saying yours is not as common as you
But I
think.
feel like
I don't
do those 2-3
think so.
boys
That's
think
the
that
thing.
something's wrong with them at that time?
I'm not sure if like that's a conversation as much. Yeah,
Like
mean,
obviously they
I
don't talk about it since they're
Yeah,
insecure.
like guys don't really talk about shit. They would rather just play along ki ha 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 oh fuck so hot वगैरह. But I don't think like people
I really
are
don't
not
think it's
non-horny.
like
I
that.
think they're horny.
I don't know, maybe it's just my perspective, but I think it, like realistically it cannot be. Like I think there's a mixed bag of emotions
100%
that
तो नहीं
people feel, and realistically it's like it's a spectrum of things, and then there's like one spectrum has been allowed to just and that is the template, and that is what people expect you to be like. So that's why I think people then act more like it. It's always like you can be
That
50%
I
rabbit
understand.
feeling, but you're amping it up to 80-90.
That I understand. But saying that, what I'm saying is everybody feels a degree of horniness. So they can channel that and then they live it. Like they mean it and then they start to feel it because they have channeled it now. Like when two guys are talking about some really hot girl or just like maybe watching porn together or something like that, they will get horny, both of them. And they're not acting, I'm just saying. And spectrum might be blown up.
I think that's
But-
too simple a case. I don't think so. Simple a case. I think sexuality is so much more common. And even if you're talking about teenage boys, and I get it, the hormones are really. I think there should
They
be.
could be horny for each other, bro. But
There
they're
should
horny.
be like what I believe to be a general statement around sexuality of boys also is that everyone likes different things. To what I don't agree with, I'll tell you, you are probably not saying that the simplification of male sexuality is what I don't agree with. I think it's just more
I'm
Layered.
not trying to simplify, like I'm not trying to generalize. I'm just saying ki if you bring it down to purely just puberty, there is a lot of raging hormones, right? And
You went
whether
through
you're-
2
whether you're horny,
2 puberties.
very similar.
yeah, whether
Outcomes
horny is
wildly
just one
different.
characteristic of it. There's plenty of other things that come with the average pubescent boy experience, and there is a lot of universality to horniness as well, is what I'm saying. It's not simplifying, it's just like only thing that happens. People feel like multiple complex feelings, but horniness has a universality, especially in the pubescent sense, तो बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yeah, so I think
The peak कई बार.
my bias is coming from the fact that I also like I really feel the need to be like and that's probably bias is like it's not the only normal thing to be super horny. Like it's completely normal to not be as amped
वो
up
कोई
as
नहीं बोल
you
रहा
guys.
एजेंडा मत पुश कर. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ
I just
कि
I'm not pushing
मैं ये
agenda.
बोल
I
रहा हूँ
just
कि
said that's my
हर
bias
दूसरा
which I'm trying to
मादरचोद
voice
हॉर्नी
out.
बैठा है. हर दूसरा
I'm
मादरचोद
saying
हॉर्नी
that-
I want to know how is it for girls though?
Guys, he's not pushing an agenda. He's talking about his experience.
अरे वही तो तूने बोला ना, तू biased है.
हाँ तो वही
मैंने
तो
भी
बोल
वही
रहा हूँ.
बोला and I segued.
But you see, like,
बेवकूफ.
a very real representation of someone who doesn't feel that way, but just because what you feel is so largely acceptable and you feel like your
I'm not
voice
saying
needs
nobody
to be
feels
larger.
Like this. I'm just saying ki if you took a sample size, I think majority comes out to be horny. And there are people in a minority who
How-
doesn't invalidate a
I don't think
minority,
it's minority.
but they're just little in numbers in pubescent age.
That's why
I
you know
don't
little
think so.
about it, and that's why they
That's
feel.
my,
Yeah.
I think that's my idea.
There's
or
a,
an assumption.
there's a very broad spectrum of this. That's all I'm saying.
But
I understand,
the
but I'm
spectrum
saying
he
it's
lies
still-
on is
he
like very
stands for
loud
that.
about it.
I think it's still.
Yes. Exactly.
Clearly.
We need proper
I think factoring your thing in 100%. Like there's a spectrum of things, but in that spectrum, across that spectrum, horniness is found in a lot of pubescent boys across the spectrum, be it any sexual orientation or gender, I guess. Like if they're assuming different, but if you're in a male biological body, you will feel a lot of horniness during puberty. Is what I'm saying. Because it's just pure testosterone rushing through your fucking body for the first fucking time, bro. Like you can't really cheat, na, that you will get in that mental state too much.
How is it for girls though? Are they horny like the way boys are horny?
No, I don't think so.
They don't talk about sex all the time.
Not all the time. I
I've
don't
had
think.
friends like
We
who were really into sex.
Yeah, there's a spectrum again, and but it's just not very. It's not very much like you guys. It's Ponyo should leave.
Like even when I had like friends who were girls who were like really close to me, there would be a case. Let's say, I'll talk about my personal experience. There would be a case where I'd feel comfortable enough to tell them about sexual stuff, like be curious or just like tell them how I like have been fantasizing. Yeah, no, like how I made out with someone and I've been having dreams about them. Like I would talk about agar kuch hua hai about that, but I never really found my female friends opening too much about their sexual fantasies with me. When I knew the same female friends would open about their sexual fantasies to other female friends.
Yeah, it's
That's
safe.
the thing.
And also, I think
Is there a hush hush feeling around?
Although, like, I would
It
be
depends.
very
it
open
depends
about.
on your environment. I think honestly,
No, but in general, let's say. I know, see, the way it's
there are
different for
quite a
China.
lot of in generals now. Like in general for me is not in general for someone.
What was it for, like, let's say, around you when you were
Yeah,
in boarding school?
So when I was in a boarding school, I think people talked a lot. Also because you're not only interacting with people your age per
It was a
se.
all girls school, bro.
Yeah.
Deprived.
Yeah.
Dehati aurtein going through puberty.
Shut the fuck up.
Going through boogie aurtein going through puberty akele.
No.
I don't know why people get shy. Like women also tend to get shy about like just admitting that they get horny. At least in my experience, because they're not very socialized to say it as much.
Maybe.
Yeah, like how many artists now have started to own sexuality or just say that they're gonna like just bragging about it in, let's say, rap, or Lana owning her sexual, like just being sexy. Men do that all the time.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
they've
yeah.
been doing that since बहुत पहले से, and
Adam.
women haven't been doing that too much, and that's why I think in normal language also, normal conversation, it's not a lot क्यों fuck यार, oh गीली हो गई जैसे बंदे बोल देते हैं यार.
But see, that's what I'm saying. I feel
it's a
like
lot
there's
of-
a lot more beautiful and hotter women on the road. Like I would sometimes look at women, even though I'm straight, and be like, "Fuck, gorgeous." That's very rarely an occurrence with men. Sometimes on the like just in
I
general.
do that to men. Like I would hear a man with a really sexy voice and be like,
Oh, voices
"Damn,
are
bro."
different.
So there
Voices
a
are
lot of
different. Like there's
turn-ons.
different like
for
sections of it.
Men, women, that happens.
Yeah.
We're not talking about that.
But-
What were we talking about? I forgot.
Yeah.
What were we
Because
talking
I
about?
was-
Sexuality, no? Women is what you were talking. That's what
No, but we were talking about Dehati Aurtein. How did you grow up?
But I think just because, like I said, you're not growing up with like people your own age per se, you have all sorts of ages around you. And also your matrons are quite open about things. They do talk to you about things. Not girl each, like, how I think the language.
Give us an example. How would
Like-
like just act like a senior? I'm Anagha. What would a senior say to Anagha about sex or whatever? Hi दीदी. कुछ खाने को है क्या क्योंकि मैं बोर्डर हूँ और मैं भूखी हूँ मुझे
First,
कोई
we
तमीज नहीं।
never called anyone. We never called anyone Didi. We called them
Then-
by their names.
Hi Simran.
Oh yeah.
Hi Neha.
What do you want to be named, bro?
I don't know. The name doesn't
Hi
matter.
Naina.
Bunny.
Okay. Hi Naina. How's your morning? Any sex tips for me today?
No, I don't think it was like that, honestly. So,
Hmm.
I think it was a little bit more polished for sure.
Okay.
Like Mills and Boons would be read a lot, and so there'd be social
I got
services.
nothing of that. What the fuck did you just say? What
Mills
was
and-
that code?
Mills and
Mills and
Boons.
Boons, it's erotic.
It's
Mills
a genre.
and-
It's an erotica. It's like a genre
Mills
of
and
it.
Moons.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
it's a book.
Yeah,
Tell the view-
it's
okay.
not a book. It's just like penguin. It's not a book. It's a genre of books. It's a publication. Mills and
Yeah, or
Boons.
it's like a
Okay,
series.
it's like a publication
Oh,
yeah,
that
yeah.
publishes
Eroticas.
गंदी गंदी बातें।
Posh बच्चों की सविता भाभी basically.
ऐसा?
हाँ, ठीक है, okay.
That's how they
ठीक
get
है, okay, your explanation. Anyway, so it would be like social service where you would this book has been going around. It's wrapped up in newspaper. It was definitely hush hush. A, because you're in a boarding school, and B, because you're only allowed library books for some reason. You can't get your own book. So they would like dog ear the parts of the sexy parts, and then that book would go around. So if you're getting bored, you don't want to read the where they traveled and what they talked about, you just go to the
So you
sexy
just
parts.
Past books.
Yeah,
But
you-
like how did you talk
But you
about
talked
it?
about it also. Like I think, like I don't think people would be like, "Oh, this person is so hot. I want to, do things to them." But I think it would more be like, "Oh, he's cute. I want to talk more to them." It was sweetish. It was
So it's
not
not
as
about sex.
ratchet. Yeah,
So women don't talk about sex.
they do. I don't think I'm the right person to come to for it. That's how I experienced it.
So you haven't been someone who
Yeah,
talked about explicitly too much about the sexual.
I have, but with friends, I think it was more in college or like high school, middle school, not in junior school for sure. It was more sweetie and like sweet
Fuck
stuff.
middle school, fuck hostel. But like when you did, that's what I want to like. What is the conversation about
Bola
sex
kya?
between two women? Is what I'm trying to understand. Like that's the question essentially.
Oh.
Because between men, it's goes a lot of ways. It's बहुत ही कई बार hard to मतलब hear. कई बार when you catch like two random men, they could be saying really foul shit. It's not even foul shit, but like wrong, criminal.
Oh, but women, I've heard women discuss like foul shit too, but it's only when like they're pissed at they don't want nothing to do with them anymore or something's gone wrong. No one talks shit about someone they're with, but like necessarily, other than someone like if
What do they fantasize about?
I had a
Definitely.
group of friends back in school. They were from like an all-girls school, and somehow these bitches were more deprived for sure. Like that, sorry, but सही में like they would be so fucking edged, bro, all the time. लड़कियाँ
नहीं.
and even Edwards के लड़के, I mean not that was an all-boys school. इतने edged रहते थे ना वो पूरा नाम.
But so was this girl in our college, beep her name out, Urshita. She also went to a girls' boarding school, right? But her experience was wildly different from mine in terms of the way she spoke about sex, the way she had like dealt with boys and stuff.
Yeah.
So I think it was
She
different.
was like Urjita is a very similar.
Beep her name out, alright?
Fuck
Yeah.
that shit. But Murmita.
She.
But yeah, I think her way of talking about sex, at least, was similar to how my
Yeah,
friends,
those-
group of
yeah.
friends talk to each other about sex very openly, very freely, and also just like बंदे बात करते हैं ना जैसे like even degrading it and demeaning the other person.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
that sort of vibe. They were like just essentially talking like men, but about men, like women talking like men about sex.
Yeah.
So I've had those friends
Which
as well.
is, yeah.
बहुत ही गंदी गंदी बातें कर रहे थे वो, मतलब इतनी गंदी बातें मैंने नहीं की कभी भी. मैं नहीं था क्योंकि कभी भी वो मर्द जो बहुत गंदी मतलब घुस के बातें कर
Yeah.
जो ज़्यादा टेक्निकलिटीज में जाते हैं ना मर्द की उसकी चूत के उसके ये वो
I'm so regretting being on this episode.
Bro, men talk like that, and like I've always been someone to say like sort of back off उस point से जहाँ technicalities discuss होने लग जाती है.
Like it's not too graphic. Where the situations I've been in is not
Where I
too
pull out.
graphic. But then yeah, do women discuss size and girth and things like that? They
Yeah.
do. They do.
Yeah. And did it like, oh, it was crazy, rocked my world, something like that.
And yeah, it
Rocked my
does.
fucking world,
Yeah.
made me weak. That kind of shit, you must say no.
You must. You don't get a lot of chance.
I know some women in my life who have
Good guys, some like really smart or you know people who know their shit and can hold a conversation, slide into Anaga's DMs.
Do
Let's
that.
throw out the application. Let's see what's out there.
I've been aware. But yeah,
were
you were
saying
saying
yes.
something.
I was saying I've had women in my life who have talked explicitly about their sexual experience. और वैसे ही मतलब I've heard the funniest things I've heard is like यार उसने जब वो किया मेरी तो चड्डी गीली हो गई. I've heard like things like oh वो it was something like it was basically like how men describe कि मज़ा आ गया मतलब बहुत ही सही मैं तो बस उसी के लिए जाती हूँ और फिर आ जाती हूँ and just like मेरा तो set है ये सही है like I've heard those conversations too.
Yeah. But you guys have heard me talk about my experiences in general, right? Like I was describing
But
a
you
date
don't
to
go
you.
into technicalities.
Yeah,
That's
that's
very similar to me, bro. I don't get into
Exactly.
the technicalities of it either. I
Yeah.
would say we hooked up, I kissed her, and we fucked. Like that's what I would say. I
Yeah.
would go, oh, उसकी मैंने तोड़
No,
दी
but
यार,
that lacks
वो बेटा
passion,
की."
ना.
I don't
When you
think-
add passion to it थोड़ा सा.
No. Like
I don't think there's a lack of passion
doesn't lack
there.
passion. Like
No, that it does.
passion in describing.
In
for sure.
describing.
Not passion in having.
No, not that.
Describing.
Like the way you're describing it to the other
See,
person.
Rishabh Bhaiya ke sath, and you, now Chaza and like all of the new, I think the friendships that I found in my adulthood, I could be very transparent, and if I really liked some nuance, I would go into detail. about
Yeah.
it. But with other folks, like I think growing up, I never really felt that comfort क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि या तो demeaning होगा for my partner, and I've always mostly been in serious relationships. Like when I
serial monogamous
yeah.
is
Like I don't want somebody else to be talking shit about my
Yeah.
girlfriend if I like talk about my girlfriend.
exactly. That's what I told you. Like I don't necessarily like I'm involved with people sexually till I like them. So and then you don't want to talk shit about them.
Exactly.
So,
and
yeah.
these when you're fantasizing about random people, then do you talk shit about them?
I'm fantasizing about random people.
Not even shit, bro, but it's not even shit.
It's
No,
not like just
I
ratchet
don't
shit.
want another person discussing, like, people can say nice, right?
But also-
I don't want to go into details and tell you about it as much unless it was something that I want to recount and tell my friends. Like, that fucking part was crazy, bro.
But also like since I know you and I've had a long like friendship with you, so I know what when you like your levels of if it was bad you would barely talk about it or you would talk about the bad part. When that level of if there was passion enough, like you said, you know, even if it's done nicely, and I think
Do
that
you guys ask each other whether the guy made you come or not?
yeah
That's must be a top question.
yeah.
Interesting. How was usually the answer?
Wang wang.
उसे मिला ही नहीं.
No, I think it's so sad.
Sad, bro. Like we to bust a nut and then dip. I try.
Reality hits.
To be fair.
Oh
I've-
yeah, I actually
tried.
had heard a little bit about it, but not much. I've heard more about blue balls than.
I never had blue
Bullshit, I
balls,
think.
bro.
Uh-huh,
I've
I-
never had
Blue
blue
balls
balls.
as well.
Never. Maybe I
You
just
say it
flushed
like
out.
you missed out.
No, like, but I think it's a myth. That's how I'm saying it. Like, I think it's blown up. There's no blue balls as such. Maybe hoga kuch, but I drain.
I've heard people complain about it through your experience. Nowhere else.
I think it's just an excuse that men.
Yeah.
I
Have
don't
blown
know.
up to large degrees. Yeah.
I've
Just to
heard-
coerce
I
partners
believe
into,
that.
like-
But I've read a lot of places where people have been like it hurts a lot to some
It's
people.
a men's world. We create shit up.
Could be a lie.
Yeah.
Could be a
So,
lie.
guilt tripping partners into sex.
How's that, Chaz?
Disgusting.
Experts, please. No.
What's fucked up?
Did you just say I'm guilt trip partners into sex?
No, I said experts, please.
The fuck? Did you actually say that? And you're not gonna apologize or say no?
Clearly a joke. I'm sorry. It's not an
But
expert.
no. Expert about what?
हाय दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में हमें बात करके अनघा से बहुत मज़ा आया। अनघा अब आपके लिए एक छोटा सा मैसेज देंगी।
Like, share, subscribe. Goodbye. Shukriya.
Shukriya.